Looking for high-quality extension cables that improve your PC build without the hassle? Phanteks Universal Extension Cables deliver exactly that. At 19.68 inches, 500 mm, long, these 18 Aruban Florens cables provide the perfect balance of length and flexibility for cleaner, more efficient cable management. What sets these cables apart is their premium construction. Featuring a durable PP sleeve tube and an insulation resistance of 20 ohm at 200 VDC, they ensure reliable performance and safety. Plus, the 2.1 mm wire thickness meets RoHS standards, giving you peace of mind about quality and compliance. Modders will appreciate the ease of routing these cables. Unlike standard market cables, Phanteks extensions are designed to bend smoothly without losing shape, making it easier to organize your build. They come in 4 different colors, so you can customize your setup to match your style or theme. One user shared their experience with these cables in a tight build using the Phanteks Eclipse P400TG case. Despite limited space, the 500 mm length allowed for proper cable management, although planning ahead is key. The package includes plenty of combs to keep cables neat and aligned, adding to the professional look of your setup. If you're on the fence about which brand to choose, this product comes highly recommended. The combination of flexibility, length, and build quality makes these cables a reliable upgrade for any PC enthusiast. They're especially suited for RGB builds where clean cable routing enhances the overall aesthetic. Worth a look if you want cables that won't just work but also elevate your build's appearance. These extensions handle the balance between form and function without compromise. The high insulation resistance and sturdy materials mean they're built to last through countless upgrades and modifications. If that's you, someone who values quality, style, and easy cable management, Phanteks Universal Extension Cables are a smart choice. They offer more than just extension, they provide a better modding experience, making your build cleaner and more visually appealing. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your setup. With 4 colors and premium specs, these cables fit seamlessly into any build, giving you both the flexibility and durability you need. Phanteks has crafted a solution that's easy to recommend for anyone serious about their PC's look and performance.